In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily set custom date for an entry in journal application. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to open up journal application, and then we can just tap at that plus to create new entry, or we can get into existing one to edit it. To do that, we need to tap at three dots and then select edit. After that, we'll be taken to the same interface where we are able to set custom date for that particular entry. To do that, we need to tap at these three dots here, and then as you can see, entry date is selected, so journal application always add current date to any entry you create. However, you can set custom one. To do that, select custom date, and then you can just select any date you would like to add, and then just tap at done, and as you can see, the date for the certain entry has just been changed. To save the changes, tap at done. As you can see, new date for the entry is already showing here in your entries list, in my entries list in that case. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.